Welcome to the Digital Revolution with Jim Kunkel. Today's episode is about cloud modernization as the foundation for AI. When we talk about artificial intelligence transforming industries, we often focus on the algorithms, the models, and the breakthroughs in generative AI. But here's the reality. AI cannot thrive without modernized cloud infrastructure. The cloud is the bedrock that makes AI scalable, secure, and accessible. Let's ground this episode in some numbers. According to Google Cloud's 2025 State of AI Infrastructure report, 98% of businesses are actively exploring generative AI, and nearly 40% already have it in production. That's a staggering level of adoption, but it's only possible because cloud platforms have evolved to handle the massive compute and storage demands of AI. Wiz Research found that 85% of businesses are using some form of AI in the cloud, and 75% are running self-hosted AI models. This shows how modernization isn't just about renting servers. It's about building flexible AI-ready environments. McKinsey's 2025 Global AI Survey revealed that 88% of companies now use AI in at least one business function, but most are still struggling to scale it across the enterprise. The bottleneck isn't the AI itself, it's the cloud infrastructure and workflows that need modernization. So what does modernization mean in practice? It's about hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, data governance frameworks, and security-first architectures. It's about moving beyond legacy systems that limit agility and embracing distributed, resilient platforms that can support AI workloads at scale. Think of it this way. AI is the engine, but cloud modernization is the fuel system. Without a modernized cloud, AI remains a pilot project. With it, AI becomes a growth driver, an innovation catalyst, and a competitive differentiator. In today's conversation, we'll explore how businesses can align their cloud investments with AI ambitions. We'll look at the risks of outdated infrastructure, the opportunities of modernization, and the strategic roadmap that leaders need to follow. Because if AI is the future, then cloud modernization is the foundation that makes that future possible. Setting the stage, why cloud modernization matters. Cloud modernization is more than a technical upgrade. It's the strategic backbone that enables businesses to fully harness the power of artificial intelligence. Traditional lift and shift migrations to the cloud often fall short because they don't address scalability, resilience, or integration challenges. Modernization means rethinking architecture, embracing hybrid and multi-cloud environments, building cloud-native applications, and ensuring that data pipelines are unified and accessible. Without this foundation, AI initiatives remain siloed experiments rather than enterprise-wide transformations. In other words, the cloud isn't just where AI lives, it's what allows AI to thrive. Equally important is the way cloud modernization aligns with business imperatives like agility, compliance, and customer experience. A modern cloud infrastructure provides the elasticity needed to train large AI models, the flexibility to experiment with new tools, and the security to meet regulatory demands. It transforms IT from a cost center into a growth enabler, allowing businesses to pivot quickly in response to disruption. Core pillars of cloud modernization. At the heart of cloud modernization are several core pillars that define how businesses can build a resilient, scalable, and future-ready digital foundation. The first is hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, which allow enterprises to avoid vendor lock-in and leverage the best services across providers. This flexibility ensures that businesses can adapt quickly to changing demands while maintaining control over cost and compliance. Equally critical is data modernization, creating unified data lakes, streamlining pipelines, and enabling real-time analytics. Modernized data architecture ensures that AI models are fed with accurate, timely, and comprehensive information, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Another pillar is resilience and security, which are non-negotiable in today's digital landscape. Cloud-native redundancy, disaster recovery, and AI-driven threat detection provide the safeguards needed to protect both operations and customer trust. Finally, cost optimization and sustainability round out the modernization framework. Pay-as-you-go models help businesses scale efficiently, while green cloud initiatives align IT strategies with broader sustainability goals. Together, these pillars form the structural backbone that not only supports AI adoption, but also ensures that digital transformation is sustainable, secure, and strategically aligned with long-term business objectives. AI enablement through modern cloud. Modern cloud infrastructure is the critical enabler that allows artificial intelligence to move from isolated pilots to enterprise-wide deployment. Elastic compute power ensures that businesses can train and refine complex AI models without being constrained by physical hardware limitations. Cloud platforms also democratize access to AI by offering pre-built services, APIs, and machine learning frameworks that reduce barriers to entry. This means that businesses of all sizes, from startups to global enterprises, can experiment, innovate, and scale AI solutions quickly. In essence, the modern cloud transforms AI from a niche capability into a mainstream driver of digital transformation. The synergy between cloud and AI is best illustrated through practical applications. Financial institutions leverage cloud-enabled AI for fraud detection in real time, while manufacturers use predictive analytics to anticipate equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules. Healthcare providers are deploying AI models on secure cloud platforms to accelerate diagnostics and personalize patient care. These examples highlight that cloud modernization is not just about technology, it's about enabling strategic outcomes. By embedding AI into cloud-native architectures, businesses gain agility, resilience, and the ability to deliver smarter, faster, and more personalized experiences to customers and stakeholders. Challenges and pitfalls. Despite the promise of cloud modernization, businesses often encounter significant challenges that can stall or derail transformation efforts. One of the most common pitfalls is legacy system inertia, the difficulty of moving away from entrenched, outdated infrastructure that resists integration with modern cloud-native solutions. This is compounded by the skills gap, as many enterprises lack professionals with expertise in cloud-native architectures, AI integration, and cybersecurity. Without the right talent, modernization projects risk becoming costly experiments rather than strategic enablers. Another challenge lies in overestimating short-term return on investment. Businesses often expect immediate returns from cloud and AI investments, only to discover that the true value emerges over time through scalability, resilience, and innovation. Beyond technical hurdles, businesses must also navigate regulatory and data sovereignty issues, especially when operating across multiple jurisdictions. Compliance requirements can complicate cloud adoption, forcing enterprises to balance innovation with strict governance. Additionally, poor planning around interoperability and vendor lock-in can limit flexibility, leaving businesses tied to platforms that may not evolve with their needs. These pitfalls highlight that cloud modernization is not a one-time project, but an ongoing journey requiring foresight, investment in skills, and a clear alignment between technology and business strategy. By acknowledging these challenges up front, enterprises can design modernization roadmaps that anticipate obstacles and build resilience into their digital transformation efforts. Future outlook. Looking ahead, cloud modernization will increasingly serve as a launchpad for the next wave of AI innovation. As enterprises retire legacy systems and embrace cloud-native architectures, we'll see the rise of AI agents embedded directly into workflows, automating decision-making, enhancing customer experiences, and enabling real-time insights at scale. The convergence of cloud and AI will also accelerate the adoption of edge computing, where data is processed closer to its source, reducing latency and unlocking new possibilities in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. This evolution positions cloud modernization not just as a technical necessity, but as the strategic foundation for building autonomous, adaptive enterprises. The future will also be shaped by broader priorities such as sustainability, resilience, and global interoperability. Green cloud initiatives will align with sustainability goals, ensuring that AI-driven innovation doesn't come at the expense of environmental responsibility. Meanwhile, advances in interoperability across multi-cloud ecosystems will allow businesses to seamlessly integrate AI tools without vendor lock-in. By 2030, cloud and AI will be inseparable in digital transformation narratives, with modernization acting as the connective tissue that enables agility, compliance, and innovation. For businesses, the outlook is clear. Those who invest in modern cloud infrastructure today will be best positioned to lead in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. Thank you for joining the digital revolution in unraveling this fascinating topic. Be sure to stay tuned for more episodes where we dive deep into the latest innovations and challenges in the digital world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep revolutionizing the digital world. And with that, I appreciate your continued support and engagement with the Digital Revolution podcast. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes where we talk about the latest trends and innovations in intelligent technologies. Until next time, keep exploring the frontiers of intelligent technology. Don't forget to follow this podcast series to stay up to date on the ever-changing world of digital transformation. Thank you for supporting the revolution.